First law of physics says, well, not first law, a law of physics says that if any two objects are exactly the same, then one of them is not necessary. Now, on Amazon, what that means is if any two products are exactly the same, then one of them is not necessary. Which one is not necessary? The more expensive one. So if you're selling something that is exactly the same as something else for sale on Amazon, a Me Too product, then your customer will do exactly what they should do, and that is compare prices. Compare prices, and they will shop on price. So if they shop on price and you're based in Australia, you will lose. You will lose because chances are there will be a Chinese person selling on Amazon who's selling directly from China, that Me Too product, and you will never be able to compete on price. You will lose. You will lose for sure. That is why we don't sell Me Too products. We differentiate our products. That's why we do that, because it takes us out of the price game and puts us into the individual product for the individual person game. Pippa McCreary talks a lot about this, does a really great job of explaining this as well when it comes down to customer avatars and putting things together that really suit your customers rather than just putting things together that suit you. She does a great job of explaining all of that. And the bottom line is, if you sell something that somebody else is selling, as I said, then you're just left with price to compete on. That's going to be a game that you won't be able to get to win, and it's not good for anybody, because the margins just ain't there. So how do you differentiate? What's the easiest way to differentiate? Easiest thing to differentiate is with a bundle. So Kate Ingham, Amazon AOE coach, talks heaps about bundling and about the benefits of bundling. Let's just have a look at this. So here's a product. It is a red trike for a kid. If I was selling this particular product, or if you were selling this particular product, what could you bundle this with? What could you bundle this with? Helmet. Well done, folks. What else could you bundle this with? Crash helmet. Yep. A trailer. Michelle. Very, very good. A trailer. You guys are cool. William. A light. Knee pads, says Anita. A flag, says Neil. Mouth guard, yes. Mouth guard, says Brad. A basket, says Athena. Knee pads, an esky. Yes, an esky. A bell or a horn. All right. A water bottle. A water pump. Spokey dokies. You get the idea? So if you put together a bundle and it was the young kids trike bundle, comes complete with trike and safety equipment for them, that is a very, very different proposition on Amazon. Very, very different proposition on Amazon. That is where your product now offers something very, very unique in the marketplace. Let's go look at Amazon.com and let's have a look for dog toys. Dog toys. All right, so dog toys, one of the most competitive marketplace product categories on Amazon. Toys for dogs. It's extremely competitive. Here's the results. What is number one? It's a bundle. It's a bundle. A bundle of toys that have been put together along with a grooming glove. Very, very clever. Very, very clever. All right, so here's all the other things. Oh, there's another bundle. Somebody's copied that idea now. There's some more people copying the idea now. You get the idea? Bundles enable you to create a new market within an existing market. That's what they enable you to do. They enable you to carve out your own little slice of that marketplace and make it your own. Very, very cool to be able to do that. Very, very cool to be able to do that. So that's the simplest way to differentiate your product, is simply to bundle it together. Simply to bundle it together. I think I'm gonna do in one of my inner circles a whole thing on product differentiation, because I keep getting lots of questions about it. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.